very, very excited. I'm happy that this is eventually happening. I just wanted I just want to go into it. Like, let's do it.
Democracy remains the only form of government.
Ọmọkùnrin yóò gbọ́dọ̀ di president.
Gbogbo wa la ṣáà mọ̀ pa tó yẹ ká kó níbi tá a délẹ̀ fún.
Are you ready to confess now?
Can I tell you, I was actually very pleasantly surprised. Obviously, I didn't know anything about the history of Nigeria and June 12th. Kind of blew my mind. The actual story was amazing.
I was so impressed. Olori, you did a very excellent job. The production was just, the sound was out of this world. Thank you very much, it was good.
I was touched by the film and I was impressed, but it brought me back home.
The overall action was good in the movie. I'm impressed.
Everybody should see it. Fully recommended, yes.
Well, you missed a lot. You know, you're hoping that she's going to have another premiere here, or if not, catch it in another city, because it was really good. I really enjoyed myself.
As per request, we're going to show it again. We're going round from province to province of Canada, possibly United States and Europe. Wherever I have a contact to go, I will go. My next show is coming up on March 16th in Toronto, Canada. So expect me there.
Innocent men and women lost their lives to have this democracy that we now enjoy.